Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah House of Fire. We are the job. We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers from various companies like Google, Pega, axio for the role of software engineer. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hiring. First we have from Pega. Pega is hiring for associate software engineer. The location will Hyderabad. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life in Pega. Before that, did you know about Pega? Pega is a global software company based on Cambridge, USA and many more. So if you join Pega as an associate software engineer, you will get the chance to work from another countries too. So let's back to the point. We are on responsibility of the candidate. You have to participate in designing and development and actively collaborate with product managements for your projects. You are working on Pega REST services. Additionally, with that you will also actively participate in Scrum processes, and also you have to resolve customer issues and actively contribute to innovate. Let's talk about the requirement for this role. You have a master degree in computer science or computer engineering or a related field. These for freshers, graduates only, and you have excellent presentation and communication skill. With that, excellent problem solving skills and proficiency in any programming language like C, C++, Java, and good experience of low code development. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Fian. Fian is hiring for SDE1. Fian is a startup company based in Bangalore. Fian is looking for talented full stack engineer. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in Fin. You have to develop front-end website architecture and back-end application and user interface on web pages. With that, you have to collaborate with designs and marketing team. Additionally, with that, you have to build efficient, testable and reusable modules. In line with that, you will also handle troubleshoot and debug. Let's talk about the requirements for this role. 0 to 2 year of experience, in-depth knowledge of Python, Django and many more. You can read this. And some knowledge of fundamental designs. Here is note point. Good to have knowledge of AWS, Redis and Elasticsearch and familiarity with React Native. So if you are interested for this role or your skills are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Google. Google is hiring for web solution engineer. These for university graduates 2025 only. Location will Hyderabad, Bangalore, Gurgaon. Let's talk about the required qualification for this role. Bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience and experience in coding using either Java, C++ or Python, and experience in SQL, technical designs, web technology, troubleshooting and stakeholder management. Let's talk about the preferred qualification for this role. Bachelor degree or advanced degree in computer science or computer engineering. Working experience with tech products. They also require leadership skills and excellent communication skills. Here is about the role. You can read this. Here are the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You can read this all. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Without wasting your time, just go and apply. Next we have from axio. Axio is hiring for Java developer. Axio is also a startup company based in Bangalore. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. You have to design, implementing and maintaining Java applications. In line with that, you are also developing and managing microservices architecture. And same as we discussed in all jobs, you have to write well designed, efficient and testable code. Additionally, you are also handling troubleshooting and debugging, and you have to collaborate with cross-functional team. Let's talk about the requirement for this role. Proven experience as a Java developer, and you have in-depth knowledge of Java programming language and Spring Boot framework, and some experience with RESTful APIs, microservices architecture and cloud technologies. Additionally, familiar with databases, strong problem solving skills and bachelor degree in technology, computer science or related field. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Bye bye, best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.